Hi, I'm Gaurav Singhvi. I'm from Bombay. I run my own boutique wealth management firm. Also, Weaver also gives financial lectures to various government departments across the different locations in India. And I also teach kids. That's it.
So, can you share your personal experience with financial literacy and the significant difference in your life?
Yeah, I remember, I started investing. I usually have 80,000 bucks. I used to invest with 40,000 bucks in SIP, into equity mutual funds, and realized in 3 to 4 years, the purpose was so much that I could actually make a down payment of my house in 2009, I remember. And that was a very huge sum of money, about 10 lakh rupees that I could actually afford because I actually invested right at the right time and made use of my financial literacy.
Hi, my name is Kopi, and I attended the seminar today. I think it was really informative and really productive kind of a seminar. So, hi, my name is Molly. I attended the seminar on financial literacy today, and I think it was a very informative and enlightening seminar. And I think it's very imperative for young students to know about financial literacy and to know about managing their finances. So it was great.
I am Zia Dean of class 10A, and today we had a workshop about financial literacy where we had a speaker, Sir Gaurav Singhvi. He was very kind and generous with all the students. He had a very good past experience which he interestingly shared with us. Thank you.
My name is Nanshi Kumawat of class 10B. Today's workshop on the topic financial literacy conducted by Sir Gaurav Singhvi was a great workshop. I learned many things in the financial sector, which is a crucial sector nowadays in the world of advancement. I learned about stock markets, loans, etc. Thank you.
My name is Manamir of class 10th. My takeaway from today's workshop was to learn about the things I was unaware, like about stock market, insurance, power of compounding, and overall it was a great workshop. Thank you.